Some customers find they need to trim the stem of their Betacup. Our bodies are all different. According to a recent study, the average length of a vagina is 6 centimetres, but can vary from 4 centimetres to 10 centimetres deep. If you have a lower cervix, you might find the stem protrudes out of your body. If after a few times of using your Betacup, the stem is causing you discomfort, you can trim to suit you. At first, we suggest you change your Betacup each time you go to the toilet. Then you'll be able to see how full or empty it is after a certain amount of time, and it will help you get to know your period better. Tampons absorb your menstrual fluid and other essential natural vaginal fluids, which can leave you feeling dry and uncomfortable and can affect your pH levels. A Betacup just collects your menstrual fluid and doesn't interfere with your body. Because the Betacup collects your menstrual fluid, it's perfect for both light and heavy periods. You can also pop it in before your period's due for peace of mind and leave it in right until the last signs of your period. Your Betacup is totally safe to leave in overnight. It's also perfect for swimming and running or any other exercise. Because the Betacup forms a seal, no oxygen gets to the blood, meaning no odours. It can take a few cycles to get used to using your Betacup, but seeing as it lasts you a decade, it's well worth it. If you have any other questions, please do check out our other videos or find our FAQ section on the website. And please do get in contact. We are all too happy to talk about periods and vaginas to ensure a better experience for our customers, because we think you deserve better.